This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin access and then stop saving files immediately. This reduces overwrite risk. Open trash and scan visually, then use Spotlight to search exact file names or extensions. Once done, right-click any found item and choose Put Back to restore original location. If Put Back is grayed out, copy the file to a safe folder. Make sure to note original path for later verification and avoid emptying the trash until recovery is complete. If trash scan failed, check Time Machine. Enter Time Machine, pick a snapshot before deletion, locate files, then click Restore. Once done, run Disk Utility First Aid to repair disk metadata that might hide items. If no backups are available, make a disk image and run a read-only scan with a trusted recovery app to avoid writing to the disk. Make sure to recover files to a different drive and verify integrity before replacing originals in their folders. To finish, open each restored file to verify it's intact, then check and fix permissions using GetInfo if needed. Once confirmed, move files back to their intended folders and create a fresh Time Machine backup. If files remain missing or corrupted after imaging and apps, stop further attempts and consult a professional recovery service to avoid further damage. One troubleshooting tip: if Put Back is unavailable, copy items to another drive, then rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.